Hello and welcome to the Cubanas TV, a news channel that keeps you updated on everything going on in the country. Welcome once again, my people. Sit tight as you're about to be updated on what is going on in Nigeria. Note that here at Cubanas TV, we keep you updated on everything happening in every sector of Nigeria. From politics to religions to academics to business to sports, entertainment, music, movies, we keep you updated on everything going on in each sectors because we want you to be carried along in whatever is going on. So if you are yet to subscribe to the Cubanas TV, do well to click on the subscribe button now, right there in front of you, and be subscribed. And don't forget to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified whenever we make a post, because when you do, YouTube will immediately automatically notify you that the Cubanas TV has made a post, and that way you'll be able to follow through with our post for that day. Let's listen to the news headline for today. Rivérß appeal court erroneously used section 272 to upturn ruling. Legal experts says no legitimacy. In a recent statement, Justice Osai Ayuko has reacted at the appellate court ruling and has restored 25 sacked lawmakers in the Rivérß State House of Assembly to their seat, as reported by Daily Post. In a statement released on Thursday night, Justice Ayuko clarified that the ruling did not grant former lawmakers legitimacy to perform legislative duties. He stated that he did not authorize them to initiate impeachment proceedings against the governor of Rivers State. Previously, a high court in Port Harcourt had restrained the 25 lawmakers from parading themselves as lawmakers. These lawmakers had defected from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) to the All Progressive Congress (APC). The Martin Amoyele-led assembly members then approached the appeal court to overturn the high court's verdict. Justice Ayuko expressed concern about appeal court ruling and believed the matter could only be resolved by the Supreme Court. Justice Ayuko is confident that the Supreme Court will provide the correct interpretation of Section 251 and 272 of the Constitution to address the jurisdictional issues between the federal and the state high courts. Justice Ayuko noted that the appeal court had introduced new terms into the legal system and stressed the importance of jurisdiction. He criticized the appeal court for misinterpreting Section 251 of the 1999 Constitution, which confers original jurisdiction on the federal courts, and instead relying on Section 272 to overturn the High Court ruling. There is indeed no cause for alarm, as considerable and conscientious efforts must be put in place by the respondent in approaching the Supreme Court aimed at correcting the error of the court appeal. This call for grave concern, as nothing seems to suggest a departure from the known norms and standard. Hence, the Supreme Court should not be the last resort, rather referring to Section 251 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended, and properly interpreting it as conferring original jurisdiction on the Federal High Court as a specialist court. The Court of Appeal erroneously relayed Section 272 of the same 1999 Constitution to return the ruling of the High Court of Rivers State, he said. And that is the news for today. Let me know what you think about this news in the comment section. What are your thoughts? What are your observations? Let us know what you think about this news. Your opinion matters to us. We want to know your thought about this news. We want to know what your observations are. We want to know what your opinions are. So please comment below in the comment section your thoughts, your observation, and your opinions about this news. Don't forget that this is the Cubanas TV, a news channel that keeps you updated on everything going on in Nigeria, in every sector in Nigeria. So if you are yet to subscribe, do well to click on the subscribe button right now, right there, so you can be subscribed to the Cubanas TV. Don't forget that it is important that you turn on your post notification so that whenever we make a post on YouTube will immediately automatically notify you that we've made a post, and in so doing you'll be updated and you'll be able to follow through. Don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. Once again, thank you for tuning in and see you